Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Is this the long-awaited revival that photographers have been hoping for? After a 6-year hiatus, rumors are swirling that Panasonic is poised to bring back one of the most beloved travel cameras of all time, the Lumix LX100 III. The original LX100 revolutionized compact photography by packing professional-grade features into a pocket-sized powerhouse. And now, the latest iteration is rumored to take things to the next level. If these speculations prove true, this could be one of the most groundbreaking compact camera releases in recent years. The Lumix LX series has held a special place in the hearts of travel photographers, content creators, and photography enthusiasts, who refuse to compromise on image quality despite needing something highly portable. The first LX100 debuted with a massive micro 4/3 sensor in a compact body, a game-changer in an era when most competitors were still using 1-inch sensors. Then came the LX100 II in 2018, which further refined the concept. But after that, silence. While brands like Fujifilm and Ricoh continued innovating in the premium compact market, Panasonic seemingly abandoned its legendary LX line. Now, if the latest rumors hold any weight, the LX100 III is set to make a triumphant return. So, why now? What improvements could justify such a long wait? Over the past several years, the photography landscape has changed dramatically. Smartphones have all but eliminated the budget compact market, forcing camera manufacturers to focus on premium offerings that deliver features mobile devices simply can't replicate. The timing for an LX100 III could be perfect. Panasonic has an opportunity to remind the world why this series was so revered. Potential specs and features leaked reports and patent filings suggest that the LX100 III could be a massive leap forward in compact camera technology. One of the most significant rumored upgrades is a new 21-megapixel micro 4/3 sensor, a considerable jump from the LX100 II's 17-megapixel resolution. This increase would enhance image quality, detail, and low-light performance, putting it on par with Panasonic's latest high-end mirrorless cameras. Perhaps the most exciting upgrade involves autofocus. Panasonic's depth from defocus system, while decent for stills, has struggled with continuous autofocus for video. If the LX100 III ditches DFD in favor of a phase detection autofocus system, it would be a complete game-changer. Improved autofocus would significantly enhance subject tracking and make this camera a viable option for videographers and hybrid shooters. Speaking of video, rumors suggest that the LX100 III will offer 4K at 60 FPS, double the frame rate of its predecessor. Some reports even hint at the possibility of 6K video recording, which would be unprecedented in this camera class, and future-proof content for years to come. This upgrade would make it one of the most powerful compact cameras for video creation, offering exceptional quality in a small form factor. Image stabilization and design enhancements. One major limitation of the previous LX100 models was the lack of in-body image stabilization. While the built-in optical stabilization of the lens was helpful, the addition of IBIS would create a dual stabilization system, drastically improving handheld shooting and low-light performance. This upgrade alone could make the LX100 III a must-have for travel and street photographers. The lens is expected to remain similar to its predecessors, a Leica DC Vario Summilux 24-75mm equivalent with a fast f1.4 2.8 aperture. This focal length and aperture range have always been standout features of the LX series, providing excellent sharpness and background blur that rivals more expensive interchangeable lens systems. For content creators, the lack of a fully articulating touchscreen on past LX models was a serious drawback. If Panasonic addresses this by adding a fully articulating display, it would make the LX100 III a viable option for vloggers and self-shooters. Combine that with improved autofocus, and suddenly, this camera becomes a powerful tool for YouTubers, travel vloggers, and solo filmmakers. Battery life, pricing, and release. Date with all these rumored improvements, concerns about battery life naturally arise. The LX100 series has never been known for exceptional battery performance, and adding 4K 60 recording, IBIS, and PDAF could increase power demands. Panasonic would need to introduce a higher capacity battery to make the LX100 III practical for extended use without constant recharging. As for pricing, expect a significant premium. The LX100 II launched at $999, but with inflation and cutting-edge features, a starting price of around $1,500 seems likely. This would position it against premium compact rivals like the Fujifilm X100 VI, which has been a massive success despite its $1,800 price tag. If Panasonic follows historical trends, an official announcement could come in the third quarter of 2025, with availability by the holiday season. However, global supply chain challenges could delay its release into 2026. The future of premium. Compact cameras. One lingering question is whether Panasonic still sees a viable future in premium compact cameras. The brand has focused heavily on professional video-centric cameras in recent years, but the tremendous success of models like the Fujifilm X100 VI proves there is still a strong demand for high-quality, portable cameras among both enthusiasts and professionals. If the LX100 III delivers on the rumored features, it could re-establish Panasonic as a leader in this space and reignite interest in high-end compact photography. Final thoughts. Should you be excited? Would a Panasonic Lumix LX100 III with these rumored specs be enough to earn your hard-earned cash? Or has the long wait led you to explore other alternatives? A 21 megapixel sensor, PDF autofocus, 4K 60 video, IBIS, and a fully articulating touchscreen would make this an incredibly compelling option for photographers, travelers, and content creators alike. Let me know in the comments what features would make this a must-buy for you. And if you found this deep dive valuable, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our in-depth review when, or if, this camera finally launches. For those who want even more camera insights, consider joining our channel membership for exclusive early access to our camera analyses and photography tutorials.